Good afternoon, class 11th, the lesson final account with adjustment. In my previous video, I told you that after closing the trial balance, if we came to know that certain transactions we forgot to record, then those transactions are known as adjustment. In my previous video, we discussed these four transactions: closing stock, outstanding expense, prepaid expense, depreciation. Every transaction will be showing at two places: closing stock, trading account, credit side, balance sheet, asset side. Outstanding expense, trading or profit and loss account, add in given item, and balance sheet, liability side. Prepaid expense, deduct from trading and profit and loss account from given item and balance sheet, asset side. And depreciation, deduct from given fixed assets and it is expense, profit and loss, debit side. Today we are doing four more transactions, four more adjustment. Number one is accrued income. What is the meaning of accrued income? The income earned but not received. Earned but not received. जो इनकम हमने कमा तो ली है परंतु अभी तक हमें मिली नहीं है, that is known as accrued income. What does it mean? It means we have earned it. कमा ली तो हमारी इनकम तो है. That's why first entry will be profit and loss, credit side, add in given income. Add in given income. इसको जो इनकम दे रखी है उसमें से उसमें ऐड कर देंगे. क्यों ऐड कर रहे हैं? बिकॉज इट इज आवर इनकम अर्न, कमा ली हमारी इस साल की इनकम है. एंड अनदर आइटम वी हैव नॉट रिसीव्ड येट, वी विल रिसीव इन फ्यूचर. इट मींस इट बिकम्स आवर एसेट्स. हमें मिली नहीं है, मिलनी बाकी है, तो ये हमारी क्या बन गई? एसेट्स बन गई. If you want to pass journal entry, our entry will be accrued income account debit, accrued income account debit to income account, to income account. Accrued income debit because it is my assets, income credited because it is my income. Next transaction, unearned or unaccrued income. It means the income received, the income earned, the income which is received in advance, received in advance. जो इनकम हमें एडवांस में मिल गई, अभी काम नहीं किया है हमने, we have not earned it yet, but even we got in advance, ये हमें एडवांस में पहले मिल गई. तो if we are getting this income in advance, this income belong to this year or next year? I think you will say it belongs to next year, क्योंकि ये next year की है. तो we are preparing these accounts for this year only. Here we are going to show income or expense of this year, and this income is for next year. What to do, my dear? Profit and loss, deduct from given income, deduct from given income. जो income पहले से दी है उसमें से less कर दो. And something received in advance is your assets or liability? I think you will say it is liability, sir, क्योंकि ये हमें पैसा क्या मिल गया? एडवांस में मिल गया. That's why. तो प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस में से गिवन इनकम में से लेस कर देंगे और बैलेंस शीट की लायबिलिटी में आ जाएगी. इफ यू वांट टू पास एन एंट्री फॉर इट, तो एंट्री विल बी इनकम अकाउंट डेबिट, इनकम अकाउंट डेबिट टू अनअर्न्ड इनकम, टू अनअर्न्ड इनकम. इसको डेबिट क्यों कर दिया? क्योंकि इनकम को हमने कम किया है. इनकम हमेशा क्रेडिट होती है. यहां भी देखिए मैंने इनकम को क्रेडिट किया था. इनकम का हमेशा क्रेडिट बैलेंस होता है, but here we are reducing the income, that's why debited, and it is our liability. Liabilities are always credited. Next item, interest on capital. Who will give interest on capital? Owner. Business will give to whom? Owner. Business owner को देगा. अगर आपको जर्नल एंट्री याद हो तो at that time I told you this interest is never paid in cash. This interest will be added into capital. So what we are going to do? Balance sheet as liability side. Balance sheet liability side. Add in capital. Capital में इसको add कर देंगे. And what is this for business? Business के लिए क्या है? Expense है. That's why profit and loss debit side. We will be showing it profit and loss debit side. If you want to pass an entry, entry will be interest on capital account debit to capital account. And the fourth adjustment is interest on drawing. Drawing के ऊपर interest, opposite of interest on capital. What to do dear? Balance sheet, deduct from capital, deduct from capital. capital से deduct कर दो, क्योंकि ड्राइंग को भी डिडक्ट करते हैं तो इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग को भी डिडक्ट करेंगे. एंड प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस क्रेडिट साइड, क्योंकि ये बिजनेस की इनकम है। एंट्री विल बी ड्रॉइंग अकाउंट डेबिट टू इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग, ड्रॉइंग अकाउंट डेबिट, ड्रॉइंग अकाउंट डेबिट to interest on drawing. I think you understood. So let us do one sum now. Here the sum number is 2. Sum number 2 from the following trial balance of Ved Vyas. Name of the sum is Ved Vyas. Right? Again I told you, I am telling you today also, we will start our sum with adjustment. The first adjustment is stock at the end 60,000. So where the stock is going to come? By stock 60,000, and where it will come? Balance sheet asset side by closing stock 60,000 rupees. Next adjustment, depreciate fixed assets by 10%. So let us find the fixed assets. We have given fixed assets of rupees, fixed assets. Last item 3 lakh. Where fixed assets will come? Balance sheet asset side. Fixed assets 3 lakh. Depreciation, less depreciation 10%, 30,000. So how much fixed assets left for us? 270. And where this 30 will come? It is loss for us, expense for us. Depreciation on fixed assets 30,000 rupees. Previous adjustment. Next entry, commission earned but not received rupees 400. Commission earned तो कर लिया परंतु रिसीव नहीं किया. It means it is accrued income. It is income. So first let us find whether income in form of commission is given or not. Let us see sir. Now if you see we have given commission of rupees 1000. हमारे पास 1000 रुपए का कमीशन दे रखा है. तो commission is our income. Let us show over here. By commission 1000 rupees. Now some say that 400 rupees commission is accrued, earned but not received. कमा तो दिया परंतु मिला नहीं है. Is it our income or not? Yes, it is our income. तो add accrued income 400 rupees. तो total income become 1400. And we have not received it yet. हमें ये अभी तक मिला नहीं है. It becomes our assets. Accrued commission rupees 400. Understood? Next entry, rent received in advance. 1000 रुपए का रेंट हमें एडवांस मिल गया. रेंट मिला है तो इसका मतलब इनकम है. तो let us find whether rent is given in form of income or not. Yes, it is 13,000. By rent 13,000. What to do dear? Less advance received. It is rupees 1,000. So how much actual income is? 12,000. And whatever income received in advance is our liability. Advance rent received rupees 1,000. I think people are able to understand. And the last adjustment is allow 8% interest on capital. कैपिटल पे 8% इंटरेस्ट लगाना है सर. हमारे पास कैपिटल दे रखी है 2,50,000 की. हमेशा क्रेडिट मेरे ट्रायल बैलेंस के. तो लेट अस शो कैपिटल ओवर हियर. Capital 2,50,000. So what to do here? Add interest on capital 8%. It becomes 20,000 rupees. So total capital become 2,70,000. Now how much interest is given by business? 20. What is this for business? Expense. So 2 interest on capital. It is rupees 20,000. And then interest on drawing is 900 rupees. Interest on drawing is our drawing. Less interest on drawing 900. So the remaining capital is 2,69,100. And this 900 is our income. Profit and loss credit side by interest on drawing 900 rupees. So in this way first we are going to complete all our adjustment. सबसे पहले हम सारी की सारी adjustment पूरी करेंगे. I think today we did 4 adjustment and you understood all these 4 adjustment. आपको ये चारों adjustment समझ में आ गई होगी. 4 आज की हैं, 4 हमने कल की थी. Total 8 adjustment we have done. Now what to do? Now we will complete the trial balance. ट्रायल बैलेंस की जो आइटम अभी तक हमने टच नहीं की हैं उनको ट्रांसफर करेंगे. सबसे पहले परचेज है, तो परचेज कहां दिखाओगे डियर? ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट डेबिट साइड इनर कॉलम, सेल ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट क्रेडिट साइड इनर कॉलम। नेक्स्ट इज रिटर्न इनवर्ड, रिटर्न इनवर्ड गिवन ऑन डेबिट साइड ऑफ ट्रायल बैलेंस। कल भी मैंने बताया था डेबिट साइड में जो रिटर्न होती है वो सेल्स रिटर्न होती है, वी विल डिडक्ट इट फ्रॉम सेल्स। एंड देन रिटर्न आउटवर्ड, इट इज गिवन ऑन ट्रायल बैलेंस क्रेडिट साइड। व्हाट इज दिस रिटर्न डियर? परचेज रिटर्न, वी विल डिडक्ट इट फ्रॉम परचेज। नेक्स्ट कैरेज 12,400, कैरेज इज अवर रिलेटेड टू ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट, टू कैरेज, राइट? Next is given wages and salary, again trading account debit side. Then we have given trade expense, profit and loss debit side. Rent, it is given received, we have already done, जो item हम कर चुके हैं दोबारा से नहीं करेंगे. Then we have insurance, it is our expense, debit side of trial balance. Then it will be shown profit and loss debit side. We have audit fees 1200 debit side. Do you know the meaning of audit fees? ऑडिट फीस का मतलब होता है साल के एंड में हम अपने अकाउंट्स को किसी सीए से ऑडिट करवाते हैं, चेक करवाते हैं, तो इसकी वो फीस चार्ज करता है 1200 रुपीज, एक्सपेंस फॉर अस। नेक्स्ट इज डेटर्स एंड क्रेडिटर्स, इकट्ठे दे रखे हैं, एक आइटम डेबिट में है एक क्रेडिट में है, तो डेबिट वाली आइटम क्या होगी सर? डेटर या क्रेडिटर? डेटर, इट इज अवर एसेट्स, बैलेंस शीट डेबिट एसेट साइड, एंड क्रेडिटर बैलेंस शीट लायबिलिटी साइड। नेक्स्ट आइटम इज बीआरबीपी, सेम, BR is our assets and BP is our liability. Next item sir, printing and advertisement. Printing and advertisement is our expense, profit and loss debit side. Next item commission received, already done, we will not do it again. Opening stock, trading account debit side. Cash in hand, cash at bank, both are our assets, balance sheet asset side, cash in hand, cash at bank. Next item sir, बैंक लोन, it is given on liability side, sorry ट्रायल बैलेंस क्रेडिट साइड। तो what it could be, बैंक लोन को ट्रायल बैलेंस के क्रेडिट में दे रखा है, तो ये हमारा क्या होगा? एसेट्स या लायबिलिटी? इट इज अवर लायबिलिटी, तो बैलेंस शीट लायबिलिटी साइड। देन इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन, अब बैंक लोन पे इंटरेस्ट आप दोगे आपको मिलेगा, हम देंगे, इट इज अवर एक्सपेंस, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस डेबिट साइड। कैपिटल वी हैव डन, ड्राइंग it is 15, we will deduct from capital, and fixed assets we have already done. So in this way we are going to complete our final account with adjustments. Now first we will close trading account, it will give gross profit to us, here this gross profit will come here, make the total of credit side, deduct from debit, it will be profit, net profit, and add the net profit into capital, then at the end both sides of balance sheet should be equal. I think today you also understood another 4 adjustment we have done. Thank you very much.